Are complex workflows and document signings slowing down your business processes? It's time for a change. Meet Smart K2 eSign Connector, where efficiency meets innovation. Smart K2 eSign, compatible with both DocuSign and Adobe Sign, revolutionizes your workflow management. Now, a single document signing can perform multiple functions, from selecting workflow actions like approve or deny, to entering comments that integrate seamlessly into your workflow history. Imagine actioning a workflow task through just a document signing. Smart K2 eSign makes it possible. Sign, select actions, and even add comments, all within the signing process. This functionality not only saves time, but also streamlines your process flow. Publish subscribe service. Eliminates workflow looping and enhances server performance. Return signer comments. Capture vital feedback directly into your workflow. Attach supporting documents. Conveniently include necessary documents in the signing email. Stay in control with the Smart eSign admin dashboard. Track the status of all signing documents and intervene when needed, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted workflow operations. From simplifying complex procedures to boosting overall efficiency, Smart K2 eSign is not just a tool, but a strategic asset for your business. Join the ranks of successful businesses optimizing their workflows with Smart K2 eSign. Experience the future of process automation, smarter, faster, and more efficient. Connect with us today to learn more.